What's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about Array.pop method. So um, what we're gonna do, just create an the something like Array1 and pass bunch up Array. So don't comma b comma the comma salad, and next b comma the comma best the goddamn broccoli broccoli you could ever be. So it's 2019, everybody. Don't be a salad, be the best goddamn broccoli you could ever be. So next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop bunch up arrays from here. Oh, I forgot to give equal sign. Oh, that did not work. So array1 and use the pop method. When we do that, it's gonna take the end of it. So you're gonna say, hey, what you just did. So let me show you. If I pop anything like a popcorn, it will be gone from here. So when we use that method and print that, you will be seeing there is a one thing missing called b. If we do, I'm gonna copy it and now paste. Now you can see only up to 8, up to broccoli, not the best you could ever be. Those are removed. So this is what it does. It gonna pop out that specific element from the array, and this method changes the length of the array. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.